Introduce highlight features or overview summary of PROHIKER Multifunctional Wicker Deck Box. There are features include: spacious and versatile. The 55-gallon storage deck box has a large capacity and is perfect for storing gardening tools, pool accessories, outdoor cushions and more. The outdoor storage box versatile design allows it to be used as a stylish bench, providing extra seating for outdoor gatherings or relaxing time in the garden or patio. Hand-woven PE rattan. The wicker deck box is made of durable hand-woven PE rattan, allowing you to experience the beauty of hand craftsmanship. This premium design not only enhances the beauty of your home, but also ensures durability. Say goodbye to boring storage solutions and enhance your decorative taste with this chic wicker storage box. Breathable design. The storage box has a breathable design that protects against moisture. Whether you are storing gardening tools, other items, it will keep them dry. The breathable holes not only provide good air circulation for the items inside the box, but also prevent odors from gathering. Easy to install. The outdoor storage bench is designed to be user-friendly and easy to assemble and maintain. No special tools are required to install the outdoor deck box, just follow the simple instructions. No need to worry about maintenance, just wipe it down to keep it looking great. The storage box has a handle on each side for easy mobility. Elegant and stylish. Our storage benches are available in your choice of 2 cushion colors to suit your style and preference. The deck box can transform your indoor/outdoor area into a cozy retreat. Great for patios, gardens, porches, and more. Reflect your personality while ensuring comfort and practicality. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.